Hi guys, this is the Motorola G73 and today I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first we should open the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration. To unmute ringtone we should slide to the right side ringtone volume panel. Also get one more way how we can do that, just press up or down volume button, then click here to these three dots, and to unmute ringtone volume by the same way slide to the right side this blue dot on ringtone volume panel, and then just save all the changes by click to done button. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.